Hi students, welcome back to physics class. In this class, I am going to teach 12th standard physics, volume 2, lesson number 8, photoelectric effect. Content number 8.2.2, effect of intensity of incident light on photoelectric effect. So, in the circuit, anode, cathode, A anode, C cathode. Two electrodes are inserted inside the evacuated quartz bulb. The anode and the cathode are connected to the microammeter voltmeter through high resistance battery. So here cathode acts as a negative charged metal. It emits electron. Anode acts as a positive charged metal. It collects the electrons emitted from the cathode. So this cathode is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. The anode is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. So here microampere is used to measure the current. So micro means very small amount of minute 10 power minus 6 amount of current is measured with the help of microammeter. Voltmeter is used to measure the voltage separate from the battery. The key acts as a closed or open. Key is closed means current is flowing through the circuit. Key is open, current is not flowing through the circuit. First, electromagnetic radiations. Any one of the electromagnetic radiations such as ultraviolet rays, gamma rays, visible light, IR rays, radio waves is falls on the anode. There is no deflection in microammeter. That is microammeter. So zero deflection. This indicates that no current flows through the circuit. So the same types of electromagnetic radiation is falls on the cathode metal plate. Is emits electron. The negative electrons reaches to the anode. So anode is collect the negative electrons emitted from the cathode. That time current is flowing through the circuit. Circuit is completed. So microammeter measures the current. So that current is measured with the help of microammeter. So here electrons emitted from this circuit is with respected, that is photoelectric current is varied with intensity of incident light, that is incident light intensity, and potential difference between the anode and cathode. So potential difference supplied from the battery, so between the anode and cathode is dependent. Then nature of the materials used anode cathode, then frequency of incident light can be studied. So here a graph is plotted between intensity of incident light I in x-axis, photoelectric current in y-axis. They kept frequency of incident light and potential constant. So we obtained straight line. This straight line indicates that number of electrons emitted, that is photoelectric current, is directly proportional to intensity of incident light. This meaning intensity of incident light increases, photoelectric current, that is number of electrons emitted from the cathode, also increases. Intensity of incident light decreases, photoelectric current is also decreases. So number of electrons emitted per second is directly proportional to the intensity of incident light. Intensity means light falls on the metal brightness more. So intensity is more. This is the effect of intensity of incident light on photoelectric effect.